Today we are going to read a poem written by Christina Rossetti. In this poem, the speaker asks questions about time and answers them. But the speaker says that no one can answer the last question. Let's find out what it is. The title of the poem is How Many? Let's read the first stanza. How many seconds in a minute? 60 and no more in it. How many minutes in an hour? 60 for sun and shower. What tells you the time, children? Yes, it is a clock. How many numbers are there in a clock? You can see numbers from 1 to 12 in a clock. Look at the picture, children. A clock has 3 hands. The second hand, the minute hand and the hour hand. The short one is the hour hand and the long one is the minute hand. The one which moves a bit fast is the second hand. Do you know how many times the second hand ticks to move around the clock once? It ticks 60 times to move around the clock once. These 60 seconds make a minute. 60 minutes make an hour. That is when the minute hand completes a full rotation around the clock. The poet says, even if it is a sunny day or a rainy day, we have 60 minutes in an hour. Let's read the second stanza. How many hours in a day? 24 for work and play. How many days in a week? 7 both to hear and speak. Do you know how many hours are there in a day? There are 24 hours in a day for us to work and play. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week for you to hear and speak. Children, can you name the 7 days in a week? They are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. These 7 days make a week. Let's move to the third stanza. How many weeks in a month? 4 as a swift moon runs. How many months in a year? 12 the almanac makes clear. Do you know how many weeks are there in a month? There are 4 weeks in a month. The poet also mentions an interesting fact that the moon takes 4 weeks, that means 1 month, to complete a rotation around the earth. The poet asks how many months are there in a year. Do you know the answer? The almanac tells us that there are 12 months in a year. Almanac is a type of calendar. Which are the 12 months? Can you name it? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. These 12 months make a year. Now let's read the last stanza. How many years in an age? 100 says a sage. How many ages in time? No one knows the rhyme. Now the poet asks the question, how many years are there in an age? Sage says that there are 100 years in an age. Sage means a wise person. Now the last question the poet asks is that how many ages in time? And the poet says no one can answer this question. Do you know why? It is because time is endless. It never stops. Thank you.